Hey my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're enjoying the summertime as much as you can while staying at home and maintaining social distancing. Here I am with yet another gorgeous but simple to make nail art design. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome here. I post easy DIY nail art ideas as well as some affordable nail polish review videos every week. So if you love watching nail art designs or similar videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel and also click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. So are you excited for this cute little design? Let's quickly get started. To start with, I have prepped my nails and applied 2 pieces of striping tape like so, leaving a little gap between each of them. Now I'm going to be using some pastel shades as it is summers and the pastel shades look gorgeous over nails. So this is a beautiful lemon yellow color from Essence Cosmetics. What I really love about Essence Cosmetics nail polishes is that they are really opaque and thick. Even this light yellow shade goes completely opaque in just 2 coats. Isn't that amazing? Now I'm also going to be using this beautiful light baby pink color nail polish from SharingMyMojo. Again, I love this nail polish because it gives you complete opaque look in just one swipe. Can you believe it? Just one swipe and it's totally opaque. Then I'm going to be using some of the nail polishes from Revlon from their summer floral collections. This is a beautiful green pista shade. It's called Green Orchid. Also, I'm going to be using this sky blue nail polish from the same collection. I have used this nail polish in lots and lots of my nail art videos because I just love it so much. It's a beautiful light sky blue shade and looks lovely on its own as well over the nails. Lastly, I'm also going to be using this beautiful lavender purple shade from the same collection. As you can see, it is such a gorgeous pastel purple shade and looks stunning over any skin tone. Now, as I promise always that my nail art designs are really simple and easy to do, I guess this is the simplest one. So let me quickly show you how I made this cute little pastel-y design. So after I have applied the striping tape like so over all my nails, I am going to pick each of these nail polishes and start painting my nails. And as you can see, I start painting it from just above the lower striping tape. And as soon as I paint my nails, I keep removing the striping tape alongside. It is very important to remove the striping tape as soon as you have applied the nail polish, because if you leave it there for a little longer time, it is going to get stuck harder, and then when you will remove it later on, it is going to give you little marks and will not be a very neat design. Also, if you did apply too much nail polish, it is going to flood and anyway get under the striping tape, just like I did in the pinky nails. So make sure you apply just the apt amount of nail polish so it does not flood the cuticles and does not go under your striping tape. So you have to clean up later on. Quite simple. See, I just applied the yellow nail polish, and as soon as I finished applying it, I am now using a little tweezer to remove my striping tape, and voila! Clean and simple pastel design is ready. So I'm just going to continue and repeat the same step over rest of my nails. I'm using light blue nail polish over my index finger, and I have used pink nail polish over my middle finger, and I have repeated the same step of applying the nail polish and then removing the striping tape. And that's why I prefer some good thick nail polishes whenever I make striping tape designs, because you want to remove the striping tape as soon as you have applied the nail polish. You can't wait for the second coat, because until then the striping tape gets stuck hard and again it will not give you clean design. So you can always leave this design over here and it's going to look super cute, but I just went one step further and used this little tiny brush and applied a few random couple of black dots like so over all of my nails. You don't have to be precise. In fact, the random they are, the better they look. So some tiny, some bigger, medium-sized dots, but only to the upper part of the design, and I'm just going to leave the lower stripe as it is in the solid color. See how cute this is looking now. You can choose to create your own kind of design. You can also go ahead and put some polka dots over the upper part where I'm applying the black dots. It's up to you. I always say in my videos, you can choose however you want to customize your design up to your liking. Also, that reminds me that you can switch up the different designs that I show you in my videos for different seasons as well. So for example, in this video I am using pastel shades because I want to rock this nail art design during summer season. But if you are living somewhere where it is autumn or it's going to start winter soon, then you can switch up the colors accordingly, but you can still carry on and use this design as an inspiration. Final step is always to clean your cuticle area. If some nail polish has gone over the skin, use a small nail art brush like this one and some nail polish remover and clean your edges so it looks neat and professional. After you have cleaned your cuticles, as always, our final step is to apply a good quality top coat to give your manicure a glossy, shiny look and to protect it from damaging or chipping off. I also thought that this design would look really cute with a matte top coat, so I did try and apply a matte top coat later on, and I'll show you the results towards the end. But I'm really loving how this cute and simple nail art design turned out, and how easy and quick it was to create this design. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please hit that like button to let me know that you did enjoy watching this video. And if you have any questions, comments, don't forget to write them in the comment section below. Alright then, I hope you are staying safe inside your homes, staying strong and happy, and helping each other. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!